Yeah, I don't feel like we're in Texas right now.
I don't either.
Well, hello there. In today's video, we're going to be hiking in 3 miles in the dark. We're going to set up camp, get a fire going, just have a good time, relax, do some fishing in the morning. You guys are going to get carried along with us, and hope you enjoy.
You're so good at this? Right here.
It's starting to feel pretty good out here right now.
Dude, it is.
I guess this is the benefit of us doing this at night is that it's cooler.
Yeah. We used to have our yard coat in those, but not anymore.
There's a spider on there.
Let's say I want it in there.
Kind of. I'm pretty sure they could find that anywhere. Anywhere they go look. Tyler? Huh? Do we want to throw it on there?
I know. It's what it always does. Start trying to ring around the rosy on fire.
Vortex in there.
It's like a furnace.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude.
And there goes all the perfect fire. Walk 3 miles of allergic reaction. And do it. Do this.
Almost done packing up.
So that you never lose your headlamp ever again. See?
I'm gonna lose it.
I'm gonna lose it.
Hello.
That's a nice walk, dude.
What a beautiful day. Oh yeah, dude, we can totally fish this.
Oh yeah, you could fly fish this.
Uh-huh.
Ooh, it's gonna be good.
Onwards. We're maybe half a mile in, stopped to fish a little pond. Didn't catch anything, but there were stuff surfacing on top of the water out in the middle. But we're gonna go up a little more, see if we can find another spot that we can access, and then go try to catch some more.
It goes along river beside.
Blackberries?
No, there's another one.
I don't know, dude.
I forget the name of it. Picked them for a long time. These are big.
All right, we're off trail. We're gonna go to this little hill right here. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but over it we can't see past this. We're gonna go explore and see what we see. Big old fire ant out. Oh, it's just another field. Little creek. Well, that was exciting.
Oh, I got ants for sure.
And we're back on the trail. Ah, shade. What would y'all say we are, like a mile in? Mile in, 2 to go. Still flowing.
good. That's good.
Coming from up the gully. Down we go. Oh, there's running water there too. Oh, this is like 30 foot up there.
And up we go.
Probably just about halfway to a little over halfway. We're going back downhill. Yeah, 3 mile hike and just some campsite in the middle of nowhere. It's not a crazy hike either. It's just a little elevation, ups and downs. Let's wait for Tyler. Go, 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 go!
That was longer than I thought. What happens when you get too tight? You gotta make sure every step counts.
Okay, probably mile 7.5, maybe 2 miles in. 1 mile to go. These bridges are so sick. This whole trail is sick. And another bridge. And a bunch of blue bonnets. It was also dark outside, so we couldn't see very much.
I would have known that there's this massive body of water.
What the heck, bro? That's crazy.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
I pushed more with my index finger. That definitely worked better.
Alright, I got you.
Found a flat one. Okay, so the trick is to push with your index finger more. Okay. Okay. That's what I was missing. What I was doing incorrectly. I
Let's
should
try to
find
skip a
good
rock.
Huh?
I'm gonna try to skip a rock.
a rock. Like just a round rock.
I probably can actually.
I think you can.
If I do it this way. Alright.
You're so good at this?
Oh my god, Tyler, I found it. Here. Sorry.
Oh yeah. Okay. On this other side.
Don't move on too much. Just you know, keep that arm flat. There you go.
Don't rotate.
Oh, it was good. It was good. You got like 6 on it. 3.
It was going people hiking back there.
The curve in the end of it. favorite rocks.
Nice.
Go! That was good.
Oh my gosh, y'all aren't tired enough? Y'all gotta do squats now?
I want to get a picture of this.
Oh.
Probably put tall boy in the middle. So it's not uneven.
I'm tall boy.
That's probably good enough. I just had it on a video, so I'm just gonna find a frame I like and still. Okay, last little mile, and then we're done. How are y'all feeling? Tired.
Definitely tired, yeah.
Let's get it.
Yeah, seriously. Especially with all those loose rocks. There's an ant mound and a half.
All right, we're taking guesses. It's currently 11:07. I'm gonna say we're gonna be back 11:30.
11:37.
11:25, 37, and 30. Okay.
No, we're already here.
Oh yeah, we are.
Just breaks.
That would be bad.
Oh, dude, this I just noticed these trees up there are so cool. It's like Tarzan. It's like a little cave.
Well, it probably is a cave, actually.
That was right there at the entrance too. The road's right there. It's like a jungle in here, dude. Oh. Ah. Parking lot. We done did it. And they're leaving me in the dust. Okay, 3 miles in, 3 miles out. Did a little bit of fishing, didn't catch anything but a bunch of sticks. But that was fun. Not gonna be much commentary because we were just enjoying the hike. But hope y'all enjoyed.
It's hard. No, just set it right
hollow, dude. Hey.
Set it right on top.
Oh, dude, it's gonna come out the middle though. Look.
That's what Tyler wanted. He wanted it to be right on top. Yeah, smash. Oh. That's gonna shoot right at me. Oh, jeez, it's like a jet engine, dog. Oh, fudge. That thing's already hot. That's a bad idea. Bad idea.